Marketing AI is no longer just a performance question. Four separate regulatory regimes now intersect directly on how your organization targets, profiles, and personalizes, and regulators on both sides of the Atlantic are actively looking. The question is whether your audit trail is ready before they are. Most marketing teams cannot answer a straightforward question from their legal counsel. Which systems carry meaningful manipulation or discrimination risk? And where is the evidence? Without a structured framework, that answer takes weeks to assemble, and often still leaves gaps that an enforcement inquiry would expose. The RA's AI bias audit framework closes that gap. It works through your advertising stack systematically, assigning each use case a risk tier and generating documented findings your compliance team can actually rely on, rather than a spreadsheet someone built under pressure. Under Article 5 of the EU AI Act, subliminal manipulation through AI is prohibited outright. The framework surfaces which personalization and persuasion systems warrant that scrutiny, flags the specific behaviors that create exposure, and records what you have done to address them. The kind of evidence regulators expect to see. GDPR Articles 6, 9, and 22 require a documented lawful basis for every processing activity, explicit consent for special category data, and a defensible position on automated decision-making. The framework maps each use case to the correct obligation and produces the DPIA supporting records that demonstrate Article 22 compliance. The DSA's targeting transparency rules and the FTC's disclosure requirements for AI-generated content sit in the same document. One generation gives your team a consolidated view across all four regimes: subliminal manipulation, GDPR profiling, DSA restrictions, and FTC duties, rather than four separate work streams. There is no subscription and no account required. A single generation costs $39 and produces a ready-to-use marketing bias audit. Run yours today at responsibleaistudio.com. Your compliance team will have something concrete to work with before the end of the day.